Hi.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are okay. It's me, and I'm back again with another video. I just decided to do this video where I show you guys how it is being a farm girl, living in the farm. Okay, so this is our garden where you come through Harpo. Then you walk in, and the first things you'll see are these kales, lots of kales and pawpaw trees. Let me just show you. There's some tomatoes. I think this is macadamia or something. I don't really know. Even that must be a fruit. Of course, utapata hapa jembe. Aho. Jembe. Anyway, that's manure. Someone was bringing manure to the farm. Apple tree. I think these are macadamia. I don't really know. These are still avocados, pawpaws, more pawpaws, an orange tree, more pawpaws. See that? Beautiful. Let me find another angle. These are strawberries. All those ziko na strawberries zinafaa replantiwa. Oh, guess what? It's my lucky day. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. You know, my siblings have been eating these strawberries. Lakini sijakuwa na bahati. So today is my lucky day. They're supposed to be transplanted. Guys, strawberries. Let me take a photo for my thumbnail. Let me enjoy this one. Wait, focus. Yeah, let me eat it. I have to be careful with this one because it's but wow. I just had some strawberries. Wow, nakad.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me. Night breezes seem to whisper that you. Sycamore tree. Dream a little dreamer. Night breezes
maize. It's a maize plantation now. We planted hii mahindi with our own hands, by the way. I think kama nakumbuka, if you really follow me na unaona Instagram yangu, okay, you guys should follow me on Instagram. Anyway, I was saying, if you know my socials, then you know that kuna time tulikuwa hapa kwa shamba and it was looking bare and dry, and digging and planting the maize and putting the manure. This is what you get when you work hard. Oh my god. Okay, let me show you guys. That's supposed to be an orange. Oh, don't tell me it's actually starting to fruit when it starts ndogo. Okay, let me show you guys. I really need to. Oops, I should have worn gumboots. Anyway, see? Just a little oranges coming to fruit. Okay, and there's some insects too. Must smell good. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but little oranges are forming. Yeah, anyway, so this is a maize plantation, and okay, continue upon just what do you call it? Just beans. So I don't know if you guys know about this plant. This is the pumpkin plant. Bede sisi tunakula. We eat this pumpkin leaves as a delicacy huku. Okay, kitoweo. Tunakula na ugali. But I'll show you guys how to make traditional veggies kumoja. I think we will go to my gogo's. My gogo is my grandma. We will go to my grandma's, and then she'll teach us how to do it. Yeah, so pumpkin leaves. Na bado tu ni maize plantation, and in between this maize plantation, plants, by the way, kuna pawpaws. Kuna lots of pawpaws inside. Yeah, maybe I should show you one. Chanike time home ni, kitambo, all that area ilikuwa a swamp. That's my uncle's place. Wakina my cousins. Hi, Keith, Kenneth, Othni. Okay, yeah. So hapo yote ilikuwa swamp. So all the water would come and pass through here. See, let me show you guys. She'll come and pass through here until itatoka huko kwa the trees and the road. Now it will start flowing down to some river close to here. unajua tu mkale akifurahi hivi kwa sababu ya cows, yeah? But these are some of the cows. I think sahi zinafanyiwa tu paddocking. Yeah, so they eat this area and then they will move to another area. Anyway, these are the beautiful cows. Amazing, right? Yeah. So here, hapo kwote where you guys can see it's been dug. We're supposed to plant grass. Yeah. So hapo kwote kutapandwa road grass. Whatever. Grass for the cattle. Guess what? Another pumpkin plant. I know there are several in the farm. But then if you look closely, okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but iko huku chini kwote. See those beautiful yellow flowers? Still goes. You can see some yellow flowers in there. Still goes hadi huku. And even outside the farm kidogo. Yeah. So, kama unajua uko LD, piga order yako ya pumpkin sahi. Let me show you guys a sample, by the way. I know I can find one. I knew it. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Okay, let me put my water bottle chini. I'm trying to hydrate spear. And then we can okay. Then we can touch this beauty. Ooh, she's so beautiful. You're not supposed to touch them, by the way. That's beautiful. I need a photo for the thumbnail. Beautiful. Okay, let me show you an up close of the flowers. Look at that beauty hiding. And then this is how they close up when they've been fertilized. That's a bee. I think I can see another one here. Oof, but it smells like shit here. In case kuna footage yenye nimekuwa nikicomplain that it smells of shit over there, it's because of the manure. I had actually forgotten. Hii manure yenye inatumiwa is waste from the pigs. Okay, I'll show you guys the pigs. But anyway, hiyo ndo tunatumia. Uneni venye ni fertile. It's so fertile. Okay. On to another exciting part of the farm. Hizi old banana plants. There are watotos here. And this one. And I'll show you guys hizo. There are a lot scattered all over this side of the farm. Okay, see? I know you guys know these skumas that are always so tiny but zinakuwa mrefu. You know them? And then we have a gate hapo ya kuseparate this side of the farm from huku kuingia nyumbani na hapa kwa boma. More cows. Hi. Hebu mwangalie hii rosemary plant venye It's so healthy. I want to pick a branch and chew on it. I'm just gonna munch on it. It smells so good here. Mnaona hii plant yenye inapanda juu? Inaitwa ni mrenda ama ni nderema? Ona vile ni nyingi. We enjoy eating them too. And then hii mti inakuanga na so many buds. It's also so old. I'll show you guys. All those are the avocado trees. Mbona sijaonyesha plant? Hapa kuna some vitunguu. Let me show you a fruit. Huku kumetoka kulimwa. Okay, this is one plant. Ndio hizo mrenda nilikuwa nawaambia. Hapo inakaaje we? Scary. Okay, let's look for one fruit. So we are in the avocado plantation. Most of the trees here are this short. Like, you can actually come and relax on one of these two branches. See how low they are? Yeah. I love sitting here sometimes, but squeezy, it's so cold. When it's sunny, I like coming here to sit and read a book, watch some vlogs, maybe a movie. Yeah, so we are inside. Can you see that fruit? So kundani, you guys will be able to see a lot of fruit. Yeah, lots of fruit. And then kuna birds pia, so you know, zinakulwa. Let me show you a fallen one. Yeah, ndio hiyo moja yenye imeanguka. There are lots of avocado fruits here. Watu wa Nairobi. Hey, sijui nianze biashara ya kuwauzia. Kwanza ni zile creamy, zile oily. It's not watery. Love them.